are 500 grams of peanut. We will dry roast this on low flame. We will dry roast this until the skin start leaving. Now I have been dry roasting this for 15 minutes. Now we will take out this in a plate. These are kadi patta. I have washed them. So we will just first dry roast this without oil until all the wetness has dried. You can see. Now we will take it out in a pan. Now I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I am adding half cup of garlic. If you have big ones, you can take little lesser garlic. We will roast this nicely, shallow fry them. This is half cup of jeera, that is 2 big tablespoons of jeera. We will dry roast also this. The more you put the garlic, it will be very nice and it will give a very good taste. So we will shallow fry this for 2-3 minutes, and now we will add the kadi patta which we had dry roasted. We will nicely fry all this together. The main ingredient are peanuts, garlic, kadi patta and jeera. Now these have cooled off. I am taking out 1 cup. I will show this why I have been taking out. Now we will crush this. We will crush this until all the skin comes out. This is the old method where we used to take out the skin. This is the traditional way. So we will take out all the outer skin. Now this I have made in 3 parts. The first part I will show you what I will make. For this I am adding the dry roasted ingredients. I am adding 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we will make a fine paste of this. You can see I have made it in this form. If we run the mixie for long time, it will start leaving the oil and it will become in this paste. You can use this also with roti or chapati. This is 1 cup of the groundnut. To this we'll add the shallow fried ingredients. Again 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder I will be adding and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we will make a coarse powder. So you can see I have made a coarse powder. If some groundnuts are there, it is very nice. Now I am adding the coarse powder to the fine paste which we had made. Now we will mix this nicely. The fine paste and the coarse powder, we will mix them very nicely. While making the coarse powder, just put on the mixie and put off. You can make it twice or thrice and mix this. This is called as hindi, which will taste very good with jowar roti or chapati. You can keep this for 15-20 days also. Now this is another method I am showing. These are the groundnuts with the skin. So for this I am adding the ingredients which we had shallow fried and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I have made a coarse powder. This we will use separately. This can be used with dosa, chapati or even with rice. This is another way I am making. I have taken 1 bowl of groundnut. To this we will add the dry roasted ingredients. Whatever remaining was there I have added. Chili powder, and salt to taste. To this I'm adding half lemon sized jaggery and little bit of tamarind. To this I'll add water. This is the wet chutney what we are making. So I have made it into a very fine paste. This we can serve with idli dosa. This tadka we have given. Now we can serve this only with fresh dosa or idli. You can try these chutneys. Please subscribe my channel and like the videos.